Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making mango pudding, a mango-flavored cold jelly dessert. Mango purin, a Japanese word for pudding, is originally from Hong Kong, but it's become very popular in Japan. You can find it at cake shops and other stores like supermarkets and convenience stores. These are the ingredients. We are using frozen mango today, which are already peeled and cut at its peak time for ripeness. But you can certainly use fresh mango as well. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. In a large bowl, combine frozen mango, lemon juice, and water and set aside. And cut some of the frozen mango into small cubes and set aside to be used for topping later. In a small bowl, mix gelatin and water and let sit for 5 minutes. Heat milk and sugar in a small pot at medium heat until hot, but not boiling. And add the gelatin mixture and stir until completely dissolved. Remove from heat and cool to room temperature. Transfer the mango mixture to a food processor or a blender and process to make mango puree. And pour the mango puree in a small pot and heat and let boil for a few seconds. This is an important step as mango has a kind of enzyme which prevents the gelatin from solidifying unless it's heated. Sieve through a fine mesh strainer and discard the remaining fiber. Cool to room temperature. Take 14 ounces of cooled mango puree and slowly pour in the milk mixture, gently whisking and combine together. Add the heavy cream and mix. Divide the mixture into 4 glass cups and refrigerate for 2 hours. Meanwhile, mix the mango cubes and the rest of the mango puree to make our sauce. Remove the chilled mango pudding from the fridge and pour the sauce over and garnish with mint leaves. Mango pudding is sweet and tangy and has a creamy taste from milk and cream. If you like mango, you will love this refreshing dessert.
美味しいね。